This Coldwell Banker High Country Realty property video is presented by Mountain Living Team. This is the farm you've been looking for. 20.87 unrestricted acres with gorgeous mountain views and creek. The 10 acres of pristine gentle/rolling pasture and the 10-stall barn are perfect for all the animals too. You'll be surprised at this updated 3-bedroom/2-bath ranch home with all the open light-filled rooms, large kitchen with tons of cabinets, wood-burning fireplace, laundry room and grest root cellar. Already fenced, garden space, private well, circle drive, 2-car carport and easy access to paved road. Updated roof, all electrical and septic. For more information, review the details below or contact Mountain Living Team at 828-361-9713.